The Leica Q lineup has always stirred conversation and excitement in the photography world, dividing opinion on whether it's worth investing in the current model or holding out for the next big leap. That debate has intensified as eyes shift from the impressive Leica Q3 to the heavily rumored Leica Q4. Traditionally, Leica has stuck to a predictable 4-year release cycle for its Q series, but in an era of lightning-fast technological progress and fierce competition, many believe the Q4 could break tradition and arrive earlier than expected. If true, it could become one of the most anticipated releases in Leica's modern history. When the original Leica Q debuted in 2015, it redefined the concept of a compact full-frame camera. Leica blended its legacy of premium craftsmanship with cutting-edge imaging technology, delivering a beautifully designed, full-frame camera paired with a fixed 28mm lens. That bold move set the Q apart. It wasn't about offering versatility through interchangeable lenses, but about providing perfection in simplicity. The result was a camera that delivered exceptional image quality, signature Leica color science, and the tactile shooting experience that made the brand legendary. For professionals and enthusiasts alike, it offered the Leica aesthetic in a travel-friendly package without compromise. The Q2 took the foundation built by the original Q and refined it further. It arrived with a 47-megapixel sensor, enhanced weather sealing, and an ergonomic design that improved handling during long shoots. Leica proved that evolution, not revolution, was its strength. Then came the Q3, which pushed the series into the modern era with a 60-megapixel backside illuminated sensor, phase detection autofocus, and even 8K video recording. It bridged the gap between still photography and video production, showing that Leica could honor its tradition while keeping pace with the demands of hybrid creators. Now, as speculation grows around the Leica Q4, expectations are reaching new heights. Leica has always preferred subtle refinement over drastic redesign, but given the rapid pace of the industry, it's clear the Q4 will need to push boundaries to maintain its edge. Leaks and insider whispers point toward one standout innovation: a stacked CMOS sensor. This upgrade would dramatically enhance readout speeds, improve dynamic range, and minimize rolling shutter effects, putting the Q4 on par with flagship cameras from major brands like Sony and Canon. A stacked sensor would also unlock new possibilities for both stills and video. Faster readout means better autofocus accuracy, smoother video recording, and reduced lag during high-speed bursts. The Q3 introduced phase detection autofocus, but the Q4 could take things further with AI-driven subject recognition, advanced eye and animal tracking, and intelligent predictive focusing. These features would make it one of the most responsive and reliable compact cameras for action, street, and portrait photography alike. Video is another area where Leica could make big strides. The Q3 surprised users with 8K recording, but overheating limited its usability for extended shoots. The Q4 might finally solve that with improved heat management, allowing for longer recording times and better stability. It could also offer higher frame rate 4K modes for slow motion content, appealing to filmmakers who want cinematic quality without the burden of a large camera rig. If Leica succeeds, the Q4 could stand toe-to-toe with hybrid workhorses like the Canon R5 and Sony FX3, while remaining unmistakably Leica in form and feel. Low-light performance is another realm where the Q4 is expected to shine. The existing 28mm f/1.7 Summilux lens already produces gorgeous results in dim lighting, but with a new sensor and enhanced processing, the Q4 could deliver cleaner images at high ISOs, improved color fidelity, and richer shadow detail. This would make it an ideal choice for photographers who thrive in natural light or unpredictable conditions, from nighttime street shooters to travel photographers capturing fleeting moments on the go. Design-wise, Leica is likely to stick to its mantra of refinement rather than reinvention. Early leaks hint that the Q4 will maintain the Q3's minimalist beauty, but introduce subtle ergonomic improvements. Expect a slightly deeper grip, lighter body construction, and smarter button placement, all aimed at improving comfort during long sessions without sacrificing the signature Leica simplicity. One area poised for significant improvement is the electronic viewfinder. The Q3 featured a 5.76 million EVF, but the Q4 may upgrade to a 9.44 million display with a faster refresh rate, offering a lifelike, lag-free experience that feels closer to an optical viewfinder. The rear screen may also evolve from the Q3's tilting display to a fully articulating one, catering to vloggers and creators who need flexibility for self-recording or low-angle shots. Touchscreen performance, menu customization, and interface fluidity are also expected to see notable enhancements. Connectivity will almost certainly receive attention too. As the photography world becomes increasingly mobile and connected, faster Wi-Fi, improved Bluetooth, and better integration with Leica's apps are likely. These updates would streamline image transfers, enable smoother remote operation, and enhance tethered shooting capabilities for professionals who depend on quick workflow efficiency in the field or studio. Of course, the two biggest questions remain. When will it arrive and how much will it cost? Based on Leica's previous release pattern, Q in 2015, Q2 in 2019, and Q3 in 2023, the Q4 would normally appear around 2027. However, given how competitive the camera market has become, rumors suggest Leica might accelerate the schedule, possibly unveiling the Q4 in late 2026. As for pricing, Leica's premium status leaves little doubt. It will be expensive. The Q3 launched around $5,995, and given the rumored upgrades, the Q4 could easily surpass $6,500, potentially hitting the $7,000 mark. But for Leica's loyal fanbase, the price isn't just about specs. It's about owning a piece of craftsmanship, heritage, and prestige. If these predictions hold true, the Leica Q4 could set a new benchmark for compact full-frame photography. It might combine cutting-edge innovation, like a stacked sensor and AI autofocus, with Leica's unmatched design philosophy and build quality. Add to that superior low-light performance, refined handling, and advanced video features, and you have a camera that appeals to both purists and modern creators. The buzz surrounding the Q4 continues to grow, and anticipation among photographers is palpable. Leica has a history of delivering products that balance precision engineering with artistic soul, and the Q4 seems poised to carry that legacy forward. Whether it launches sooner than expected or right on schedule, one thing is clear. The Leica Q4 could redefine what a compact full-frame camera can be, marking a bold new chapter in the evolution of Leica's iconic Q series.